Woman, come out here.
Come out now. Come out again.
This protocol.
No, my dear. How are you?
Also, there's a whole case here, the People's Democratic Party. With your permission, Your Excellency, may I respectfully invite them to introduce themselves.
Chairman of our party, my former colleague, Minister of Women Affairs, one of our leaders in the South is lastly but not least, the former minister, my colleague of special duties, Ambassador Desmond Akao. Who of course you also know, up to there, of course, you know that this is my introduction from our party. Dr. Samson Kennedy, which was education people, the chairman of board of trustees. I don't know what you would like.
Your Excellency, thank you. Whether acting chairman, so whatever you want.
You are my guest now. You are my guest. Let me know that I impose something on you. I have told you what I want, but you are my guest.
Yes.
So you would have to, we don't want this thing, so you just see what is what I have. I would manifest to the end.
Excellency, at the risk of being disrespectful on my side, I wouldn't want to overrule the state chair, but I would prefer that to your Excellency.
I respect to that. But I'm not the man that had the man said that I want the president. Yeah. Because so many things have been distorted, and that even more word can about the press, we may not be able to explain to the details of the press. Because what I did not pick out what I'm saying, so many things, this was said, I didn't say it, I didn't say so. I don't want people to have, I believe that one of the things we should do in life is to keep an understanding. But when they have directly what the person said and what you said, it gives a balanced story. But this is I have no problem. This is I have no problem. I have no problem. But I don't want to press here that you have no problem. I have no problem. My father speaking with what I had in mind. Okay.